Vampire bot. Booga blooga. Booga? There she is. The captain of the Thunderbolts. Through her, I will make the Thunderbolts my evil servants.
What is thy bidding, my master?
It works. My virus works.
My name is Helsing-5, and I hunt vampire. I can create an antivirus, but to do so, I will need a sample of the hydraulic fluid of an infected vampire bot. We need someone weak, bumbling, and easily confused.
That would be Bolts.
Take a sample of his hydraulic fluid. The signal is coming from the very first vampire who infected them.
And that would be... Sadie!
Hello, Blip.
No! The antivirus! I injected it into Blip's hydraulic fluid, so when you bit him...
No! No!
Aha! But the place is empty. The equipment ripped out. Trash left on the floor.
We missed him! The only thing he left is this!
Ha! The mark of Dr. Blau!